Senior travelers over 65 face more challenges in airports than any other age group. Yet many of them don't know that airports already offer hidden accommodations that make the entire journey smoother and safer. By watching this video, you will learn 12 airport perks available in 2026 that help seniors move through security, reach their gates comfortably, and avoid unnecessary stress. These benefits are rarely advertised, which is why so many older travelers miss out on easier and more confident travel experiences. If this guide helps you travel smarter, make sure to subscribe to Epic Voyage for more insights designed to support travelers at every age. Chapter 1. Security Accommodations. Designed for seniors. Seeking reduced physical strain, security screening remains one of the most physically demanding parts of modern travel. For older adults, bending to remove shoes, standing in long lines, or rapidly following instructions can create unnecessary difficulty. Many airports empower security officers to simplify the process for seniors who express mobility concerns. These accommodations may include keeping light jackets on, providing clear and unhurried explanations, or offering a seat during additional screening if standing still is difficult. Officers also understand that seniors may have implanted medical devices or joint replacements that set off alarms and can adjust their approach without requiring repeated scans. These adjustments are based on traveler needs, not age alone, and they exist to make the screening process safer and less stressful while maintaining security standards. Seniors who communicate their limitations clearly often experience more comfortable screenings without unnecessary physical strain. Chapter 2. Mobility carts that assist seniors navigating long terminals. Airports have expanded significantly in recent years, and many terminals require walking long distances through long corridors, escalators, and connecting bridges. For seniors experiencing fatigue, balance issues, or joint discomfort, these distances can become overwhelming before the trip even begins. Many airports operate mobility carts that transport passengers directly to their gates. Seniors can request these services at information counters from airport ambassadors or through gate staff when they feel they cannot comfortably walk the required distance. Availability varies by airport, but when carts are available, they are one of the most practical ways for seniors to travel through large terminals without exhausting themselves. Mobility carts also provide critical support during tight connections, where a traveler with reduced mobility may not reach the next gate without assistance. Chapter 3. Wheelchair Escorts. That support seniors across the entire terminal. Wheelchair service is one of the most important airport accommodations available to seniors. On many major airlines, especially those flying to or from the United States and Europe, airlines must arrange wheelchair escorts for passengers with disabilities who request support, and many seniors qualify because of age-related mobility limitations. These limitations can include difficulty walking long distances, reduced stamina, trouble with balance, or general concerns about navigating crowded terminals. Wheelchair escorts guide senior travelers from check-in through security, across terminals, and directly to the gate. During connections, escorts meet seniors at the aircraft door and ensure they reach their next gate safely and without confusion. Upon arrival, escorts help seniors retrieve luggage and exit the terminal without navigating the airport alone. This service is complimentary when requested through airline channels and plays a crucial role in preventing falls, reducing stress, and ensuring that seniors move through airports safely and confidently. Chapter 4. Early boarding that gives seniors extra time and space. Boarding can be one of the most chaotic moments in air travel. Passengers crowd the gate area, rush down the jet bridge, and fill overhead bins long before the flight departs. Seniors who walk slowly, struggle with balance, or simply need more time to enter the aircraft can request early boarding from gate staff. Most airlines maintain a boarding category for travelers who need extra time or assistance, and seniors with mobility limitations are commonly included in this group. Early boarding allows older travelers to move at a comfortable pace, settle into their seats, and store personal items without pressure from passengers behind them. This accommodation is not based on age alone, but on mobility needs, and seniors who express their limitations respectfully are often granted early boarding to ensure safety during the process. Chapter 5. Accessible seat assignments. Available through airport staff. Seat selection fees online can restrict accessibility for older passengers who need certain types of seats. However, Airport agents often have greater flexibility to assign accessible seats when the request is based on mobility or health considerations. Seniors who have difficulty climbing over other passengers, bending into window seats, or walking long distances through the cabin can request aisle seats or seats closer to the front of the aircraft. Staff may adjust the seat assignment when possible, especially if doing so supports safety and comfort. These adjustments depend on aircraft load, seat availability, and operational needs, but they often help seniors avoid discomfort during the flight. This is one of the least known accommodations available at airports, yet it has a significant impact on seniors who struggle with certain seating positions. Chapter 6: Quiet Zones and Low-Stimulation Areas that ease airport stress. Many airports recognize that certain travelers benefit from calm environments, especially older adults who fatigue easily or become overwhelmed by noise. As a result, some modern terminals now feature quiet rooms, low-stimulation spaces, or seating areas designed to reduce sensory stress. These spaces typically offer softer lighting, reduced announcements, and comfortable seating. Seniors can ask airport staff where these areas are located, as they are not always visible from main concourses. Priority seating near gates is also common, and seniors with mobility challenges can use these seats to rest before boarding. These quiet spaces provide valuable relief during long layovers or waiting periods, allowing seniors to maintain comfort and conserve energy. Chapter 7: Senior Travel Discounts that reduce airport-related transportation costs. Senior discounts inside airport shops are not consistently offered, but senior travelers may find meaningful savings in transportation linked to airports. Many public transit systems offer reduced fares for older adults on airport trains, express bus routes, or metro lines connecting to the city center. Some regions also provide discounts on long-distance buses operating from airports to neighboring cities. Travel organizations and senior membership groups sometimes partner with transportation providers to extend discounted shuttle services, airport hotel rates, or bundled travel packages. These benefits are not universal, but they are widely available in certain regions, and seniors who ask about these programs often discover that the journey to and from the airport can be completed at a lower cost than expected. Chapter 8: Companion Gate Passes. Allowing loved ones to accompany seniors to airports can feel overwhelming for seniors who travel infrequently or who struggle with navigation and dense crowds. Many airlines offer companion gate passes, special authorizations that allow a friend or family member to accompany a senior through security and stay with them at the gate. These passes help seniors who need emotional support, assistance with carry-on belongings, or help understanding flight information. A companion must show identification and complete standard screening procedures to access the secure area. Gate passes are typically granted based on a senior's mobility or cognitive needs. This support can greatly reduce anxiety for older adults who may not feel confident navigating large terminals alone. Chapter 9: Assistance for Tight Connections that protects seniors from travel stress. Tight connections can be one of the most difficult challenges for older travelers. Airports are often complex, with multiple terminals, escalators, long corridors, and unexpected detours. Seniors who notify cabin crew about mobility concerns before landing can receive assistance upon arrival. Ground staff may meet the senior with a wheelchair escort, direct them to a mobility cart, or guide them through the fastest route to their connecting gate. Even when time is limited, these coordinated efforts significantly reduce stress and help ensure that seniors do not rush in ways that could compromise safety. While flight connections cannot always be guaranteed, seniors who request help early often have a much smoother experience during transitions between flights. Chapter 10: Airport Medical Clinics that provide immediate assistance to seniors. Large airports operate medical clinics or first aid facilities capable of evaluating health concerns that arise during travel. Seniors experiencing dizziness, breathing difficulty, elevated blood pressure, dehydration, or medication complications can contact airport medical staff for immediate assistance. These clinics help determine whether a senior can continue traveling safely or whether additional care is needed. Staff can offer basic first aid or refer travelers to nearby urgent care if necessary. For seniors who worry about sudden health issues during trips, the presence of these clinics provides essential reassurance and support. Airports maintain these facilities because millions of travelers pass through each year, and medical issues are an unavoidable reality of modern travel. Chapter 11. Independent lounge access that creates a comfortable airport experience. Airport lounges provide quiet seating, refreshments, and a calmer environment than crowded gate areas. Seniors do not need airline elite status to access many lounges because independent lounge networks offer membership programs that provide entry to multiple lounges regardless of ticket type. These programs sometimes run promotions through senior travel associations or partnerships with certain banks. Lounges can significantly improve the airport experience for older travelers by offering cleaner restrooms, comfortable seating, clear flight information screens, and staff who can assist with rebooking during delays. Seniors who find airport crowds overwhelming often benefit greatly from these controlled environments while waiting for their flights. Chapter 12. Extra help at immigration and customs for seniors requiring support. International arrivals can feel confusing for senior travelers, especially when encountering digital passport kiosks, long lines, or complex customs declarations. Immigration officers generally have discretion to assist travelers who need additional guidance, particularly seniors who have difficulty standing for long periods or following digital instructions. Seniors can request help with kiosk operation, ask for clearer explanations, or inquire about reduced mobility lanes. Although availability varies by airport, immigration staff often provide patient support for seniors to ensure the process is completed safely and correctly. This assistance helps older travelers avoid unnecessary stress at the final stage of their journey. Final chapter. How seniors can access these airport perks in 2026. Most airport accommodations for seniors are not automatically provided. They require the traveler to clearly communicate mobility concerns or physical limitations. Seniors who express difficulty walking long distances, trouble standing for extended periods, or challenges navigating technology often receive prompt support from airport and airline staff. These accommodations exist to make travel safer and more accessible, but they rely on open communication. When seniors request support confidently at each stage of the airport experience, staff members are better able to identify their needs and respond appropriately. Senior travelers over 65 can enjoy far more comfortable and confident travel when they understand the accommodations available to them in modern airports. Knowing what to request and when to request it transforms stressful travel days into manageable and safe journeys. If you want more insights that help you travel smarter every time you fly, subscribe to Epic Voyage and stay informed with our latest guides. Thank you for watching.